to all my digital friends. So today we are going to do a very quick one now. How to download a CapCut for free. So if you are that kind of person that you downloaded a free CapCut and all of a sudden it started bringing out a pro version because you use a pro feature, this video is for you. I want you to watch this video to the end. It's very simple. You can subscribe so that when I bring out another tip regarding to free tools, you can also benefit from it. Now, very simple. What you need to do is to head up to your search browsing, like Chrome or any other browser. Just search for download free CapCut. So when you get to the options that are released for you, you need to scroll down and you'll see where this arrow is saying up down download. Click on that up down download and it's going to bring you there. Okay, the whole idea is because a lot of the newest versions now are being synchronized. There's a direct access to the CapCut app that synchronizes all old version to new version by default. So, and that is why it's happening. So if you are facing, you need to click the older version. So like I just did now. So you see all the versions that are here. So from 26 to 2025. So you scroll down. So most times if you download for 2025, it will still synchronize and still tell you same result. So you can go more below, like 2023. So you can go for 2023. I click on 2023 so that I can see if it works. So now on the 2023 app, I'm going to download that part of app and so that I can do what I have to do. Let's go check it out. Let's see what we have. All right, let me open it, because basically it's very frustrating when you get the pro version, a cracked pro version, and over some few minutes and you start seeing that it is writing paid stuff. So let me just choose a video and import it and see. You can see that this is the older version of CapCut, and these are the basic features that you can enjoy from the old version. So you can head up to the site and make a search, or click on the link in the comment section or in the description. I will put in a link in the description that will take you directly to the older version of CapCut, and you can download it and start doing your edition. For you to watch this far, that means that you have been watching from the beginning to this end. So, and that is why I'm placing the link below, so that it will be more easier for you to get the older version of CapCut and download it and use it for free. It's 100% free. There's nothing to pay for. So I want you to subscribe to this channel and also stay tuned for more videos which is coming your way.